Hi friends, welcome to the channel Curious Minds. So guys, from part 1 we are familiar with the mechanism of chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine against malaria. But the real question is about its effectiveness against coronavirus or specifically SARS-CoV-2. First, we will see what is the difference between chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine. Chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine have same function. Hydroxychloroquine is the derivative of the chloroquine with enhanced properties. Therefore, it is more effective than chloroquine. It is being said that clinical trials of these malarial drugs against SARS-CoV-2 has been performed with promising results. It is true that scientists are performing clinical trials, but in fact, there is no such evidence of any positive results. Yes, there are few cases which got cured with the help of hydroxychloroquine doses. But keep in mind that these are only few cases. And it does not mean that this drug is a solution for the SARS-CoV-2. No drug works in that simple way, and right now no one knows how did that drug worked in those few cases. We all know that half knowledge is dangerous. There might not be a proof of clinical trials for SARS-CoV-2, but there was a clinical trial performed in 2005 for previous coronavirus, and results were negative. Those clinical trials put a question mark against the announcement of successful clinical trials against SARS-CoV-2. The fact is, many clinical trials are ongoing with different drugs like malarial drug. You will get the information about ongoing clinical trials if you click on the link in description below. But there is another concern we have. After the announcement of successful clinical trials, the news spread all over the world and people started self-medicating themselves, which is totally wrong. Low doses of the drug might be helpful, but high doses can be fatal too. There has been deaths all over the world due to hydroxychloroquine. For example, 2 deaths in Nigeria and 1 death in Arizona. Not only high doses are harmful, but also this drug is dangerous for heart patients. There are many undiagnosed heart patients. If the person is unaware of his or her heart disease, hydroxychloroquine without doctor's prescription can cause serious situation. There is one more reason why you should not self-medicate yourself with hydroxychloroquine. If you are a person with other regular medications, this hydroxychloroquine might interact with other medicines and cause problems. Toxicity is the another aspect of the drug. It is not only about malarial drug, but every drug have its toxicity of certain level. If toxicity compared between chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine, hydroxychloroquine is less toxic than chloroquine. Therefore, it might be more effective for inhibition of SARS-CoV-2. But as I said before, till now there is no such evidence.